friends, welcome to my new video. And here you can see one of my client who is having vitiligo white patch on his lower lips, as you can see here. So here you can see a white patch. We have already prepared this patch after dermabrasion here, and as you can see here, this area is raw. And in this video I just wanted to show you what all are the ways by which we are going to treat this white patch on his lower lips, what all techniques we are going to use here in Healthy Colors Clinic to treat this type of vitiligo white patch. Here in the visuals you can see this is the melanocyte suspensions what we have taken in this syringe. And first we are going to put this. We have already made this area raw by fractional laser. If you can see, these are the fractional laser, some dotted marks you can see on the skin. These are the fractional laser shots here. And after that, to ensure that all the area is totally made rough, we have dermabrated the area also. And now here I'm going to put the melanocyte suspension. Okay, so here I'm putting a rich melanocyte suspension. We are putting the melanin cell suspension, a rich suspension we are putting. Even if some are getting waste, no problem, we have got enough suspension here. So after we have put the melanocyte cell suspension, I'm going to, here you can see in the visuals, this is the micro skin graft what we have prepared with some extra skin graft. So you can see here I'm putting the extra suspension. I'm putting it on the top of melanocyte cell suspension to double ensure that melanin cell is transplanted nicely here. And friends, here thirdly what I am going to put is the thin full skin graft. Here I am going to put thin full skin graft, which I am going to show you here. So here you can see on the top of mini skin grafts, full ultra thin skin graft I am putting, so that to ensure that my client gets good result here. So here first we have put the melanin cell suspension, then the micro tiny skin grafts we have put on the top of melanocyte suspension, and thirdly I have put a very thin full skin graft on the top of that. So three layers treatment protocols we have followed here to ensure that my client gets assured results here. And now I'm going to put the collagen dressing here on the top of it. And after the collagen sheet, I'm going to put, this is also called the Tegaderm dressing. Okay. So this dressing will keep all the melanin cell suspension in place. Okay, see, so this is how we are finally doing the closure with the extra dressing so that the cell suspension is in place. So here 3 treatment procedures we have followed to ensure that my client is getting the best results for his vitiligo patch on the bottom part of his lips, as you have seen here. This is all for this video, friends. If you also have any similar concerns and you have got small vitiligo patches, then certainly we can try these 3 steps vitiligo treatment procedures to ensure the best results. And for clinic address, contact numbers, you can check the description box below. This is all for this video now, and I'll see you soon with my next video. Thank you for watching.